Finding the mean or average using Excel or spreadsheet. In your mobile phone. First to do is encode the data. After encoding all the data, click one cell where you want the average or mean to appear. Encode equals average. Click average. Click all the data encoded. Click the check button. The value that appears after clicking the check button is the average or mean of the data. If you've learned from this video, please like, share, comment down below and subscribe to stay updated once I upload a new tutorial.